चाहे ये पहेली ऐसा वैसा कुछ क्यों होता है सहेली मेरी अंगड़ाइयाँ मेरी तन्हाइयाँ मेरी अंगड़ाइयाँ कितनी अकेली चाहे पहेली ऐसा वैसा कुछ क्यों होता है सहेली दोनों ने मिलके जान मेरी लेली चाहे पहेली ऐसा वैसा कुछ क्यों होता है सहेली
रायबरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पिंच लड़ाने जाएगी हर महक के इतना जेवर कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा रे
What झुमका What झुमका What झुमका What झुमका
कृपया ध्यान दें दिल्ली से मुंबई आने वाली गाड़ी प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 12 के बदले प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 36 पे आए
On the dance floor
डांस फ्लोर कुड़िए
Yeah, you got that?
You got what I want, it's Sony, yeah. मिठी गल्ला करके तू ना जा गोरी, yeah. Hey, I think about it every day. Baby looking like Hana Kazana on a plate, hey. Like my like kulfi, rasmalai, pista barfi, sardiyan vich garmi lagdi, jad vi tu mere raah vich chaldi. Hey, baby let me see it. I just wanna eat it. Baby let me see it. Baby let me see it. I just wanna eat it.
ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿੱਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
इश्क दे लिया जख्मां दे खुदा सास के मुंह सी लांगे जी यार मेरा मन जहर दे मैं घट घट करके पी लांगी
ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿੱਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਵਜੇ ਤੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Anuragti and Shantanu, congratulations, hero badhaiyan, and wish you all the best for this glorious chapter in your life. And coming back to poetry, I would request everyone's attention क्योंकि poets की बात वैसे भी लोग कम सुनते हैं, तो
किसी की भी बात लोग कम सुनते हैं।
I agree.
हाँ
तो बेसिकली क्योंकि आई एम अ पोएट एंड अ राइटर, तो हमारे बेटर हाफ को अक्सर हमसे ये शिकायत होती है कि भाई जब तुम अपने अलंकारों की बौछार जो है वो दूसरों पे करते फिरते हो, लेकिन जब बारी हम पे आती है तो तुम्हारे शब्द पत्ती गली पकड़ के निकल लेते हैं। तो ये कविता उसी का जवाब है। तुम पर मैं कैसे गीत लिखूं, तुम पर मैं कैसे गीत लिखूं, मैं तुम पर मैं कैसे गीत लिखूं, मैं मीत लिखूं, मनमीत लिखूं, या जन्म जन्म की प्रीत लिखूं, कुछ अलग या कुछ विपरीत लिखूं, या वही पुरानी रीत लिखूं।
क्या बात।
कि सुंदरता में किस तरह मैं मंत्र मुक्त सा रहता हूँ, जिस पल को तुमसे दूरी हो मैं क्षुब्ध सा रहता हूँ, जो मार्ग नहीं तुम तक जाते उनके विरुद्ध सा रहता हूँ, जो मन में कोलाहल उपजे कैसे उनका मैं विरोध करूँ, क्यों प्रेम में ऐसा होता है, अब प्रेम करूँ या शोध करूँ, जो मार्ग नहीं तुम तक जाते ये चेतना पूरी क्षीण हुई, कैसे कुछ भी बोध करूँ, है मांग तुम्हारी उचित प्रिय, है मांग तुम्हारी उचित प्रिय, मैं कहता हूँ ये लिखित प्रिय, पर लिखूँ क्या तथा कथित प्रिय, जुल्फे चेहरा आँखें रेशम, जुल्फे चेहरा आँखें रेशम, सबने सब कुछ है कह डाला, कुछ ने सन्नाटा शब्द लिया उसमें भी शोर है भर डाला, इस प्रेम विषय का कवियों ने है सत्यानाश ही कर डाला। एक गीत तुम्ही पर लिखने को शायर हैं जितने पढ़ डाले, एक गीत तुम्ही पर लिखने को शायर हैं जितने पढ़ डाले, कुछ फैज़ मिलाया गालिब में, कुछ अपने किस्से गढ़ डाले, तब नज़्म बनी गहराई की, तब नज़्म बनी गहराई की, पर बात लगी चतुराई की, मैं समझ सका हूँ कहाँ अभी जो चक्रव्यूह है आँखों में, मैं समझ सका हूँ कहाँ अभी जो चक्रव्यूह है आँखों में, मैं संभल सका हूँ कहाँ अभी जो प्रेम का ताप है सांसों में, मेरे कमीज़ के कॉलर पे एक बिंदी चिपकी रहती है, मेरे कमीज़ के कॉलर पे एक बिंदी चिपकी रहती है, जो प्राप्त है तेरा साथ मुझे पर्याप्त ये दुनिया लगती है, हाँ चाय मगर तू फीकी पी मुझको तो मीठी चलती है, ये बातें तो सब यूं ही हैं, ये बातें तो सब यूं ही हैं, सच केवल बस इतना ही है, एक प्रेम कविता लिखने में नाकामी है स्वीकार मुझे, पर प्रेम निवेदन सच्चा है इस बात का है इकरार मुझे, पर प्रेम निवेदन सच्चा है इस बात का है इकरार मुझे, मैं सरल शब्द में कहता हूँ बस तुमसे ही है प्यार मुझे, बस तुमसे ही है प्यार मुझे।
क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात। Those friends who are doing a quiz for you today.
We are going to ask you some questions and जो आंसर्स है वो सबको बताएं, मोस्टली सबको बताएं, and raise your hand and somebody will come with a mic to you, Abhijit over there, and yeah, that's what we are going to do. Sorry about this, sorry for this interruption in your dance performances, but that's what we are going to do. So Ayush, do you want to start?
So Just raise your hand if you know the answer. Yeah. So when Javed Akhtar was dating his ex-wife Hani Irani, her mother wanted to get them married. But Akhtar wanted to focus on his career, so he sent his partner in crime Salim Khan to Irani's mother to dissuade her against getting her daughter married to Akhtar. Salim Khan talked about his friend's bad habits and vices, included him being a drunkard. What iconic proposal scene in Bollywood cinematic history was inspired by this exchange?
Yes, that's correct. That is correct.
Whose side are you on? Bharati or Bharati?
Barati or Gharati?
Barati.
Well done.
Well done.
It's about Bharati only. Right. Next question. Next question. Please raise your hand. Don't speak out, like, because we would like to recognize you. Right? Yeah. All of you have seen this meme on internet called "Thak gaye honge jal lijiye," right? We are not tired yet, but "Thak gaye honge jal lijiye." From which movie is this meme from? A word. Yes, I will come to you only. A word you might have read on the invitation sent to you as well. That is correct. That is correct. You are Bharati or Gharati? So Bharati 1, Gharati 1. That's where we stand right now.
So keeping on with the theme of wedding. So in Ranveer Singh's debut movie, which snack is being sworn upon by Ranveer Singh?
Yes. Yeah, sure. You go.
Yeah, you already have one.
Bread pakoda.
Bread pakoda. And which movie is this?
Band Baja Barat.
And you are Bharati or Gharati?
Garati.
So Gharati have taken the lead.
घबराओ नहीं, मैं आ गया हूँ। घबराओ नहीं, जग्गा आ गया है, इधर माइक लेके आया है, घबराइए नहीं। आप लोग दनादन जवाब दीजिए।
Okay. That's fine. It's okay. Please. Also, if you have answered once, let other people answer, so we can have maximum participation, right? Yeah.
We are also trying to prevent Shantanu from being scolded upon later on.
Yes, that is also true, right? Next question. I'll ask this crowd, so if they have it first, okay? So there is this word that I'm looking for. One word, very popular word. It comes from the consumption of the drink mead. So mead करके एक drink होती है, alcoholic drink. So traditionally consumed by newlyweds. So if you are just married in medieval times, that is what they used to consume. And a word to denote the waning period of sweetness after marriage. So what word is this? That in modern form, मतलब जो आज के ज़माने में है, that is an act that you do after wedding. So something that happens after wedding, something that is sweet. Think of a word that is associated with things that happen after wedding, right? Possibly not in this economy, but in general. So
कहीं आप सुहागरात की बात तो नहीं करते?
no, not really. Think of sweetness. Think of sweet products.
उसी की जो बात कर रहा था।
Sweet, yes. Not moonshine, but you're correct. Think more. Think wedding related. Yes. Honeymoon is correct. Yes. Honeymoon. Indeed. And you are Bharati or Gharati? Bharatis, you need to buckle up. We are doing 3-1. Guys, next question. Only men can answer. So women, please keep quiet. Let's laugh on men. If they know this or not, please, only men can answer, okay? So I'm looking for a French word, but that French word is also used in Hindi. It is also used in, for example, Hindi for sure, okay? It means to prick or make small holes. That is the French word, and it gives a process that is done to every sari ever worn. So if you have worn a sari, before wearing a sari, you do this process.
Yeah.
Yes. Pico is correct.
Yes.
That is correct. So pico is a word that you use in Hindi, but is actually from French. Pico. Very well done.
now let's make things interesting. So I will speak out lyrics from a song. It will be in Shakespearean English, but it won't be a English song. It is a Hindi or a local song. So just listen carefully and tell me which song I am talking about.
And if you can sing it, nothing like that.
Yeah, extra point for singing. Lo, my boot wandereth away with the mountain-born lad, and my wheel drifteth bound with the Dogran's thread. Ah, my boot, alas, it flies. Ah, my boot, it sighs.
Yes. Not Suraj Mohammadam.
Ah, my boot, it flies away. Thrice did he come to bear me hence. He came himself, the third of times. He came himself and murmured two soft tales. Sway upon sway, my step doth fall. Sway off sway, I go with my love's call.
Anybody? Yeah, repeat it.
I'll make it easier. Lo, my shoe. So in spite of boot, I'm saying lo, my shoe wandereth away with the mountain-born lad. So every Gen Z should get it.
Yes.
Let's sing it. Let's sing it also.
मेरी जान की पहाड़ी है दिनार दे दो मेरे दिनार
I was assuming this is Gujarati band. The Paratis are from Chandigarh. What are they
हो
doing?
गई जी वहाँ पे ही वहाँ.
Also, next question. Yeah, 5-1. Next question. Where is the Meerut youth here? Meerut youth?
मेरा ग्रुप
है जी. मेरठ
Meerut youth.
मेरठ ग्रुप.
Yeah, please stay silent on this one because this question is about Meerut. That's where I am also from. There is a movie called Meeruthiya Gangster, and there is a person who is married to a Meerut girl, and he made his singing debut in this movie. Who made his singing debut in this movie? Who you do not know for singing, but know for his exploits on the cricket field. Which cricketer married to a Meerut girl made his singing debut in Meeruthiya Gangster? That is correct. Who are you? Bharati or
Gharati or Barati?
Gharati or Bharati?
कराती है जी, कराती है.
I think Bharatis have anyway won because Bharatis are the one who prepared this quiz. So let's
have another last set of lyrics.
This is the last song. This is the last question, please. Bharati, थोड़ा सा belt.
At hour of 2, the night sweet rings, the hearts on market stirs, even coins take wings. At hour of 2, the night sweet instrument rings, the heart on market bakes, and all delighted brings.
yes.
Somebody in the room might give you a hint. Can you sing also?
I don't remember the बारात के 2:30 बजे कोई शहनाई बजे दिल का बाजार लगा दे 5 बजे.
Big hand for Saurabh.
आगे I don't know. Thank you.
And thank you everybody.
घराती.
जाते थोड़ा सा
We
The last one he said was Gharati.
just assume.
जाते थोड़ा स्कोर भी बता दे क्या हो यार.
Right. Scorers, the winners are Anurakti and Shantanu who are getting married.
Yeah.
The world was dark. There was no sound. I had no direction, no up, no down. I was nothing. Floating in nothingness. Still waiting for my big bang of consciousness. There was no space, no time, no room, no air. I wasn't even aware that I wasn't aware. It was emptier than emptiness, vacuum, nil. I was alone in every sense of the word until I saw you. And bang, there was light in my eyes and my life began. My world, once a dot, now expanding so fast. My mind was a spark, now it feels like a blast. I can sense time now, like a ripple over drape. I can almost see the edges of my world taking shape with atoms, quarks, electrons, rays, and all the other pieces now falling into place. I feel you, your pull and your force, but are you in my orbit or am I in yours? I think of resisting, it doesn't last very long because physics is against me and your gravity is strong. I feel drawn, like a planet to a star. Even though I know I must circle from afar because you're full of fire and I'm just me. And I sense you'll consume me eventually. Unless I can be a star you can turn to. And maybe one day, who knows, I might even burn you. And then we'd spend the rest of our cosmic life playing star-struck husband and planetary wife. But at this point, we must take a pause, examine that most important of Newton's laws. If every body in this universe with mass and a face can attract one another in mysterious ways, some call it gravity, some call it love. The equation is simple. Who you are goes above, divided by the square of the distance in between. And if you keep something constant, you'll get what I mean. Maybe it's all relative and hangs by a string, but it shouldn't take a quantum leap for imagining that everybody's a satellite and you are the star. And we're all in orbit because of who you are. It's all gravity.